And you also understand how the court treats a no contest plea, correct?
Correct.
And knowing all of that, do you want to continue with your plea?
Yes, ma'am.
You also understand the possible penalty as a result of your plea, whether in this court, any other court, or administrative agency.
Yes.
Anybody promise you anything, threaten you, or coerce you in any way for you to enter into a plea?
No.
Any immigration issues?
No.
Counsel, if you can please pardon your client.
It's a no contest plea, Your Honor.
I'm so sorry. Any objection to court reviewing the police report?
No, Your Honor.
To the factual basis. Okay. And the court will indicate after, or will find after review of the police report and the stipulation of the level of .202 and .197, the court does find the plea is knowing, voluntary, and factually accurate. The court will accept your plea to the amended charge, dismiss the original charge per the plea agreement, and counsel as to bond.
Your Honor, it's my understanding that after arrest, Ms. Roberts had paid a cash bond of $500. We would have that bond be continued. She was in my office shortly after being charged. She's never been in trouble before. She has a stable residence in the city of Southgate. My understanding, she's got a stable life risk. Not getting the bond is appropriate.
I'm sorry, the current bond is what?
Is appropriate.
All right, and have you ever failed to appear in court for any reason?
No, ma'am.
And you're not on probation or parole anywhere?
No.
You're not out on bond in any other jurisdiction?
No.
And, absent any prescription medication that you may have that would allow you to test positive for alcohol, would there be any reason to be testing positive for alcohol, ma'am?
I am on cough syrup right now. I'm not sure if there's alcohol in it because I just got diagnosed yesterday, but other than that, no.
Okay, all right. So the court's going to order your cast bond to continue not to possess or consume any alcohol or drugs that are not prescribed. So ma'am, just so you're aware, there may be alcohol in your cough syrup, but if your doctor recommended that cough syrup, because obviously you may not have to have a prescription for over-the-counter cough syrup, then that would be sufficient, okay?
Okay.
All right, please email into probation and they will give you your next steps. Email into them by 1 p.m., okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, have a good day.
It's schedule set, same date.
Yes, so they're going to give her a PSI date, her sentencing date, her needs assessment link, and her information for a PSI.
Understood.
And you can actually go over to the council to coordinate that with your client.
Okay.
And then you can get a copy of the bond conditions as well, so you can get that to your client.
Okay, I will do so, thank you.
Thank you. We're on the record in the matter of the City of Wyandotte versus Point and Ruffin 251376 A, B, and C. Good afternoon. Okay, very good, thank you. And you can actually adjust the microphone, and there you go. And if you want to swap sides, it might be easier.
I'd love to, it will be difficult, I'll keep his voice.
Well, I get that, but it's most important for my court recorder to make sure we have an accurate record, so.
Go for it.
All right, so let's, so as to the arraignment,
Then, what part of the Sandy Judge?
the court will read the formal reading, enter plea of not guilty for purposes of the arraignment, and then as to the pretrial counsel.
With the resolution, Your Honor, subject to Your Honor's approval, all three underlying charges would be dismissed. And should the evidence may come out with a physically impaired.
Sir, please raise your right hand. Solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give in this matter be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes, I will.
All right, you picking up there? Okay, perfect. And you heard the plea that was placed on the record, correct, sir?
Yes.
And as to the amended charge of operating while visibly impaired, how do you plead?
Yes.
You've gone over your advice of rights with your attorney, correct?
Yes, correct.
And you understand all of those rights.
Yes.
You also understand by entering into a plea that you'll be waiving some of those rights.
Yes.
And you also understand that, that you also understand the possible penalty as a result of your plea, whether in this court, any other court or administrative agency.
Yes,
Knowing all that, do you want to continue with your plea?
yes,
Has anybody promised you anything, threatened you, or coerced you in any way for you to enter into a plea?
no,
All right, and counsel, you can please party your client. I'm sorry, any immigration issues?
No.
Okay,
September 2025, you operating within the city of Wyandotte.
yes,
Were you on Westbound Oak Street?
yes,
At the time you were driving, did you have issues with your turn signal and various driving which allowed the police to pull you over?
yes,
Prior to driving, did you consume alcohol?
yes,
What and how much?
6 shots of vodka.
Looking back at it, in 2020 hindsight, did your consumption of alcohol impair your ability to drive?
Yes,
Here is, results were 0.192 and 0.206.
okay, and, the court does find your plea is knowing, voluntary, and factually accurate. And the court will accept your plea as such, and dismiss the original charges per the plea agreement. And counsel asks you bond.
That's the bond, that's the personal bond, and Daniel was the first time here, he's been in touch with me. He's in counseling, got a letter from a therapist, he's sober, he's clean, he's doing well.
Okay, and sir, are you on bond in any other jurisdiction?
no,
And have you ever failed to appear in court for any reason?
no.
Where do you work?
Chrysler, Stellantis,
Okay. How long have you worked there, sir?
13 years,
All right, and if you were to test today, is there anything in your system?
no,
The court's going to order a cash bond to continue, and you are, not to possess or consume any alcohol or drugs that are not prescribed. All right, I'm gonna have you both go over to probation, you're gonna get a copy of your bond conditions, sir, and then counsel, you can coordinate the sentencing date with your schedule as well, and there'll be some other dates that Mr. Ruffin will have to make sure he puts into his